Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how we can use Namecheap platform to make money with CPA grip, with CPA lead, CPA build, it doesn't matter. We can use Namecheap to make money with this networks. I will give you the secret or the hidden trick behind the strategy. So using this strategy, at least you will double your money 5 times. So you will make 5 times more net profit of your invested money. If I said investing, you don't have to invest that much of money a lot, because this is a high return on investment strategy. So you can invest $1 and you will get $6 immediately just by investing $1. If you invest $10, you will get $60. $100, you will get $600 in the whole income, or in the whole return of this strategy. So if it sounds interesting for you, please make sure to watch this video till the end and follow this step-by-step tutorial, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my content and my strategies about CPA marketing or marketing strategies, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so this way you will receive more videos about CPA marketing or making money online generally. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, we are going to use CPA grip as an example, but as I said, this strategy will work for any CPA marketing platform that supports content locking and incentive marketing promotion or incentive promotion methods. So as you can see right here, first we need to choose a country, because it depends on the country you are going to work on. For example, let's take United States as an example. Why? Because the offers right there paying really well, and all of these offers right here are email zip submit, so they are really easy to complete, right? Because we are going to use Namecheap for that, so we need these offers to be email submits. It's gonna work for app install offers, but they don't pay that well, so this is the best thing to go with. So for example, now we know that we are going to use these offers right here. They are paying more than $2. It's good, it's a good amount of money. So how we can make money with these offers, how we can get conversions or leads? And here is the magic. We are going to use Namecheap. We will not create a website for us. No, we are not purchase domain names for us, but what we are going to do is to resell this domain names, but we will not ask people to pay us money. We will ask them, or we will offer for people free domain names. For example, this one right here, because people will love to get free domain names because it's free, and you will get these domain names for 1 year totally for free. So they will do anything to get these free domain names instead of paying money. For example, if I ask you right now if you are interested to create a website, or do you need a domain name, and I will ask you, hi, I will offer for you a free domain name for 1 year completely for free. All what you need to do is just to complete a couple of surveys or offers, and here is how the strategy works. So as I said, we are going to use these offers. For example, on the United States, we need a file locker or a URL locker. So here is how the process works. As you can see right here, here is my content locker. I name it with domain names locker, right? So as you can see right here, here is the completion URL. So this URL basically is the destination where the person or the visitor will get redirected to when he complete the 3 leads. As you can see right here, he need to complete 3 leads, or to make 3 leads, or to complete 3 offers to get redirected to this landing page. This is not a landing page, this is just a normal URL from Google. All what I do right here is I typed something in the search bar right here. I typed this this code, right? And I just take this URL. As you can see, I just copied it, and I go to CPA grip. I create a URL locker, and I entered this in the URL session. So right now, if somebody goes to my As you can see, let's refresh that. Yeah, actually, let's see. So as you can see, if somebody goes to my content locker, here is how what it says. I just created just right now on CPA grip. It's super easy. You can do it on CPA build, you can do it anywhere else. So it says human verification. You can change this text easily. So the first step, so right here I explain to people what they need to do instead, or if they want to get a free domain name. So as you can see, complete 3 offers below. This is the first step. The second one is get your code. So the code is this one right here on the search bar. So he will get redirected to this page with this code. All what he need to do is just to copy this code and resend it to me, just to prove that he completed the 3 offers successfully, and just to prove as well that I receive my commission, or which is $6, because I'm asking people to complete 3 offers. The offers will will take only 2 or 3 minutes for each, so they will spend only something like 10 minutes to complete these 3 offers. I will receive $6 because, as I said, each offer pay more than $2. So 2 multiple by 3 offers, so it's more than $6, and I will invest only then. I'm going to Namecheap and purchase the domain name for this person, and I will transfer this domain name to his account on Namecheap completely with no problems. It's super easy strategy, and you will not lose anything because you don't purchase this domain names, or you don't invest any money before you receive before getting any money. So first you get money, then you invest money. This is the best thing with this strategy, so you don't have to worry about your investment or all of the stuffs, because you will not pay money. You will pay money only after you receive your commissions or your money right here on CPA build. And this is basically how this strategy works, how you can get traffic. So now I think you understand. I hope you understand how the strategy works. It's completely easy. It's all about creating a content locker with an incentive offer, or with a good offer. So the offer is a free domain name. So people are interested to get a free domain name, of course, yeah, because it's free. All what they need to do is just to complete 3 offers. It's completely easy. It's just email submit offers, so it will take them just a couple of minutes, and they will complete the offers and they will get the code. Of course, you are going to explain that to people, for example, and that's actually to take us to the next part, which is how we can get traffic. So to get traffic, you can contact people on social media. Of course, you will not contact anybody. You will just contact people that may be interested in this offer. So people that are interested in making money online, people that have for example, accounts on social media like a YouTube channel. You will go and contact him. Hi, I'm offering for you a free domain name for your landing for your YouTube channel, for example. They will be happy to get a free domain name. And as well, which is the best thing, or the best strategy to get traffic, is to go to Facebook groups about making money online, because these groups, these people on these groups are actually interested in making money online. So they need landing pages, websites, all of this stuff. So they need free domain names, or they need domain names. So you will go and offer for them. Hi, just say, hi, I'm offering free domain names for everybody. If you are interested, contact me. That's all. You don't need to do any promotions, all of this stuff. Just make sure to contact with people like this, and post posts right there on Facebook groups that are interested in making money online, and you will receive a huge amount of messages, because even all of the newbies right here are actually trying to start making money, to start to dealing with creating a website, having a domain name, and all of this stuff. So you will be super excited to get this free domain, and it's not a huge problem, because they don't need to pay money. So all they need to do is just to complete the CPA offers, and you make money, you win, they win. It's a win-win situation. So that was the whole strategy and how it works. I hope you like it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thumbs up for the video. See you on the next video, guys.